My name is Stephanie Jenkins Fort, and I am a teacher at Shays Cahaba Elementary School. For observing a penny, you will need just a penny and your hand lens and their science notebooks. For the exploration part of this lesson is observing a penny, and I begin with a question, asking the students what do they know about a penny and what do they remember that's on a penny. The next part is where they have to actually draw what they can remember from the penny. And after they draw what they remember from the penny, then we talk about what they actually do remember, the parts. A lot of times they can't remember where things were on the penny, but they can remember what was there. And we discuss those things. And then I have them to actually observe a penny with the unaided eye. And after observing it, they're given 1 minute to again draw both heads and tails of a penny. And we look at if they got more detail the first time than the second time. The third time, they're actually given a hand lens, and we discuss the proper use of a hand lens, how to hold it, what it's used for, and they get a minute to actually use their hand lens and to observe their penny. And then I take the penny from them and they draw again and talk about how it's important to revise things and to look at things closer, and how a lot of times when we first start out we may not remember as much, but as we continue to revise, continue to look closer at things, then we're able to get more details. For the explain portion, they have to explain what they saw through the hand lens, how they used their hand lens, and how they were able to see more details with the hand lens that they were able to see with the unaided eyes. For the science notebook, there's an activity sheet that is in the manual for them to use. Instead of using the activity sheet, I simply have them draw the circles and label them heads and tails. The last circle I have them draw bigger because they're magnifying in that section, so things are going to appear to be bigger. So I have them to draw a bigger circle in which to put their recordings into. And lesson 1 is all about them learning how to revise their previous thinking and it being okay to revise. I'll ask how would you use this? What would it be used for? And then have them explain to me how it uses to make things bigger. How do you think that we should use it? And have them talk about how they take it and place it down on it and gradually pull up. And then I let them use their fingertip to try it out. And then I'll have them, I'll put it to your eye. And regardless, does it make things big from your eye? Yes, it still does. Would it be better for you to have it down, the object down on the table, or would it be better for you to bring the object up to your eye? My favorite part is the excitement when they start realizing that there's so much there that they hadn't originally seen. A lot of them haven't seen the letter on there, and they want to know what it stands for. They want to know what is. I see a D. What's that D for? Or I see a P. Why is that P on there? Oh, he has a bow tie on. It just leads to their conversations during that part of the lesson.